If you're seeing an X.com or Twitter request error on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to using X normally. This issue is usually caused by a browser cache problem, a bad cookie, a connection issue, an extension conflict, or sometimes even an account or VPN restriction. So we're going to go through the most effective solutions in the right order, starting with the quickest one first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, and let's get straight into it. The first thing you should do is a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and U. This forces your browser to reload the page without relying on the stored version, and sometimes that's all it takes to clear a temporary loading issue. After that, try opening another website like YouTube or Google to make sure your internet connection is actually stable. If other sites are loading slowly or not at all, then the problem may be your connection rather than X itself. Next, check whether X is having a server outage. Open a new tab and go to Downdetector, then search for X. Look at the outage report graph and see if other users are reporting problems too. If there's a spike in reports, the issue may be on X's side, and in that case, the best fix is simply to wait it out and try again later. If the site still isn't working, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes because corrupted temporary files can trigger request errors. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then find Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, make sure cookies and other site data is selected, and also check cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. Once that's finished, completely close your browser and reopen it, then try X again. If the error continues, test X in Incognito mode or a private window. This helps you figure out whether a browser extension or a specific browser setting is causing the problem. Open a private window, log into X, and see if it works there. If X loads normally in private mode, then the problem is probably one of your extensions. In that case, go back to normal mode, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser, open Manage Extensions, and disable extensions one by one. Ad blockers and privacy tools are often the main cause, so start with those first. Now, if you can get into X but you still receive a request error when trying to post, follow, like, or perform other actions, your account may be limited or flagged for suspicious activity. Try logging out of your account and logging back in. Also, check for any prompts asking you to verify your email or phone number. If your account is being rate limited, then you may need to slow down your activity for a while, because too many likes, follows, or posts in a short time can trigger temporary restrictions. Another thing to check is your VPN or security software. Sometimes VPNs, proxies, or aggressive security tools can block X's background requests and cause the site to fail loading correctly. Temporarily pause your VPN or proxy and reload X to see if the error goes away. If it does, then you found the cause. You may need to keep the VPN off while using it or switch to a different server or security setting. If none of these fixes work, try a different browser altogether. For example, if you are using Chrome, try Edge, Firefox, or another browser to see whether the issue is isolated to one app. A fresh browser test can help you separate a browser problem from an account problem very quickly. So to recap, the best way to fix an X.com or Twitter request error is to hard refresh, check your internet connection, verify whether there's a server outage, clear cache and cookies, test incognito mode, disable conflicting extensions, review account restrictions, and pause VPN or security software if needed. One of those steps usually solves it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another shit or Twitter issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.